So boys and the girls, last week we were talking about shades of meaning. And we were talking about, Libby, how some words have very similar meanings, such as synonyms. The words are similar, but one is often stronger than another one. And here were some examples. We have good, great, and amazing. So while good, if we arrange them, good has a weak meaning, great has a stronger meaning than good, but amazing has the strongest of the three meanings. Do you remember that from last week, boys and girls? And then what we did is we went along and we organized the words, or we put them in order from weakest to strongest. And so then we started here. We had freezing, chilly, and cold. Who remembers what was the order we put those words in? What was the order we did them? Yanni? That's right, we did cold, chilly, and freezing. How about with pretty, gorgeous, and beautiful? What was our order on those three words? Mikey?
Pretty, beautiful.
Pretty, beautiful, and gorgeous. Because we were saying that pretty was weak. Of the three words, it was the weakest. Beautiful was stronger, and then gorgeous was the strongest of those three words. So when we're trying to figure them out, what we're going to do is we have to look for clues in our sentence. So what we have today is we have a sheet that has a sentence. And let's look at our sentences. Our first sentence says, Bennett was blank and jumped for joy when he hit his first home run. And we have two choices there. We have thrilled and happy. Now you have to think, which word would best fit that sentence? Is it going to be thrilled or happy? What is going to be the best word there? Are we going to choose? Which word do you think we should choose in this example? Or in this sentence? What word do you think you're going to choose? What do you think you're going to choose?
Happy.
You think you're going to choose happy? What do you think you're going to choose?
Thrilled.
Thrilled. Okay, so we have, Ethan says we're going to choose happy. Elisa says we're going to choose thrilled. Who thinks we're going to choose happy? Okay. Who thinks we're going to choose thrilled? Okay. Why do you think we're going to choose thrilled? Why did you think we're going to choose thrilled?
Because when he hits a home run, he's more happy.
And what did he do?
He jumped for joy when he hit his first home run.
He jumped for joy. Do you think that when you jump for joy, you're pretty thrilled?
Yep.
Yes. So I think that gives us a clue, is that he is thrilled. Is thrilled more than just happy? Yeah, I think that's one up from it, don't you think? Or a few up from it. So let's all say he's thrilled. That's A. Everybody circle A. Okay, let's look at our second one. My jacket is blank, but I can still wear it until I get a new one. What do you think that one is? Tiny or small? Tiny or small? What do you think? Ivy?
Small.
Small. And why do you think it's not tiny? Why do you think it's small or not? Why do you think it's small?
Because tiny is like super small, and small is just like, well, it's not that tiny or not that small. It's not that tiny. It's just a little small.
Okay, is there anyone who thinks the word should be tiny that they should use? Okay, everybody's thinking it's small. And what clue words in the sentence make us think that we should use the word small? Is there any clue words in the sentence? Clark, what clue words give us the idea that we could use the word small?
I can still wear it.
I can still wear it, because if it was tiny, would they still be able to wear it? No, so let's circle small. That's our clue. Okay, let's look at our next one. Would you like to read our next one, Olive?
Wow, you look stunning in that dress. Stunning.
Stunning. who thinks it's stunning? Okay, that's most people's hands. Thomas, do you think it should be pretty? Or are you going to agree with stunning? Stunning. And why do we think it's stunning? Why do you think it was stunning, Olive?
Wow.
Because we have the wow. We have an exclamation. And is stunning is a few, is stronger than pretty, right? So we'll go with stunning. So now let's look at our last one. Our last one, who'd like to try that one for us? Teddy, you want to try it?
The pizza is blank, so it will only need a few more minutes in the oven. Warm.
Warm. Not, our choices were warm and hot, and you said warm. Who agrees that it's warm? Okay. Anybody think it's hot? Okay, why do you think it's hot, Yanni? The pizza's hot, so only need a few more minutes in the oven. Okay. Kelsey, what do you think?
I think it's warm because it only needed a few more minutes, and if it was hot, it would already be done.
It would already be done, so if it was hot, it wouldn't need to go in the oven. What do you think, Yanni? Warm. So I think we're probably going to go with warm, because if it was already hot, we probably wouldn't be putting it in the oven. Very good, boys and girls. So now this is what you're going to do. Are you ready for your directions? Now, what we're going to do is you have this thing here. You see where it says shades of meaning there? You're going to glue that to the top of your page so you know this is shades of meaning. Okay? Then, these are individual. Who's watching me? You're going to put the glue right here on the flap. Obviously, we circled here, right, boys and girls? You're going to put the glue here. And then underneath this, you're going to have to write why you chose the one you chose. You're going to have to write why you chose the one you chose. You have to write why you chose. For example, why did we choose thrilled and not happy? And our reasoning is because Bennett jumped for joy. You're thrilled when you jump for joy.